Friends, welcome back to Taste of Mountain. Today, we are going to prepare a very special and traditional recipe, a dish that brings together the beauty of nature and the flavor of the river. Get ready, because this one will truly win your heart. Today's recipe is Sapla Chingri, water lily cooked with prawns. A seasonal delicacy, loved in Bengali homes for its earthy aroma, freshness, and rich flavors. First of all, let's prepare our star ingredient, the water lily, also known as sapla. We gently cut it into pieces, peeling off the skin with care. The fresh pieces look so delicate, and honestly, cutting them feels so satisfying. Look at its beauty. Just look at how beautiful even the flower looks. Now, time to prepare our fresh masalas. On the grinding stone, we make a smooth ginger and garlic paste, homemade and aromatic. Nothing can beat its flavor. Next, we grind some cumin paste. These simple spices bring richness and depth to our dish. Let's steam the water lilies with a little salt and some of water. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel Taste of Mountain and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our new recipes. Cover it and let it steam for just 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, strain the water and keep it aside. Heat some mustard oil in a wok and add sliced onions and fry them till golden brown. That sweet aroma is just amazing. Set them aside for later. Now, take about 150 grams of prawns, marinate them with salt and turmeric, and fry in hot mustard oil till golden. Remove and keep aside. In the same oil, add 2 dry red chilies, a spoon of cumin seeds, a spoon of fresh ginger garlic paste. Be careful, it will splash. Add the cumin paste, stirring gently. And then tomato puree. Stirring gently. Add 3 to 4 green chilies, salt to taste, half a teaspoon turmeric, and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Stir well. Next, add the fried onions we prepared earlier. Then a little water. Then, add the steamed water lily pieces. Stir gently. And cook until the oil begins to separate. That's when all the flavors are coming together beautifully. Finally, add the fried prawns. You can always add more prawns if you love that flavor. And just like that, our traditional water lily with prawns is ready. Serve this delicacy with hot steamed rice and a side of shorshe ilish. A true taste of Bengal, straight from nature to your plate. Do try this at home and let us know how much you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Taste of Mountain. See you soon with another delicious recipe.